A debit card may decline due to several reasons. The most common reason is insufficient funds. So it's essential to check the available balance before conducting a transaction. Mistyping errors, such as entering an incorrect card number, can also lead to a decline, as repeated mistakes may flag the card for suspicious activity. It's crucial to double-check the card details before completing a transaction. Entering the wrong PIN is another reason for a decline, so memorizing the PIN and changing it if necessary can help prevent this issue. Additionally, exceeding daily purchase limits can cause a decline, as banks impose restrictions on daily transaction amounts. It's vital to be aware of these limits to avoid declines. Furthermore, using an expired card will result in an automatic decline, so ordering a replacement card before the expiry date is necessary. Being aware of these potential reasons can help resolve issues with a declining debit card.